Okay, just have a look. Integers. Okay, just to recall, set of all positive and all negative numbers along with 0. 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 and so on are called the integers. So now I'll explain how to add the integers. Okay, have a look. Addition of integers. Addition of integers. Sum of two positive integers is always positive. Sum of two negative integers is always negative. Sum of one positive integer and one negative integer either positive or negative. Sum of one negative integer and one positive integer also either positive or negative. Clear? So now I'll give you some examples, then easily you can understand. Example 1. For example, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Easily everybody knows 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Sum of two positive integers is positive. For example, second one, minus 2 plus minus 3. Minus 2 plus of minus 3. First to write minus 2 plus into minus minus 3. And already I gave you one formula, sum of two negatives is always negative. Okay? We have to add both the numbers and we have to apply the minus symbol. So minus 2 and minus 3 will become minus 5. Hope it is very clear. Sum of two negatives is always negative. So minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. We have to add both the numbers and we have to apply minus symbol. Now minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3. So first we have to remove the bracket. Minus 2 plus 3. If we have one positive and one negative number, first we have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. I repeat, if you have one positive and one negative number, we have to subtract the smaller number from the greatest number. So here which is smaller? 3, 2 is the smaller and 3 is the greater. So first we have to subtract 2 from 3. So by subtracting 2 from 3 we get 1. And which is greater here? 3 or 2? 3 is greater and 3 contains which symbol? Plus symbol. So we have to apply plus symbol for the answer. I repeat, if you have one positive and one negative number in addition, first we have to subtract smaller number from the greatest number and after that we have to apply the symbol what the greatest number has. Hope it is clear. Another example, 2 plus of minus 3. 2 plus of minus 3. 2 as usual plus into minus minus 3. And already I explained, if you have one positive and one negative, we have to subtract smaller number from the greatest number. So 3 minus 2, 1. And after we have to apply the symbol what the greatest number has. And here 3 is the greatest number and 3 contains the symbol minus. So answer will be minus 1. Clear? Continue. Now I will give you another example. Add 2 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 4 plus 1. We have to add this. So now see here 2 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 4 plus 1. First we have to remove the brackets. 2 plus into minus minus 3 plus into minus minus 4 plus 1. Now we have to make all positive numbers as one positive. All positives as one positive. Here we have 2, one positive number, one also positive number. So by adding two positives we get 2 plus 1, 3. and we have to make all negatives as one negative. Here 3 negative, 4 also negative. By adding both the negatives, minus 3, minus 7, minus 3, minus 4, we get minus 7. So finally we have only one positive and one negative. And already I explained, if we have one positive and one negative, we have to subtract smaller number from the greatest number, and after that we have to apply the symbol what the greatest number has. So 7 minus 3 is 4, and 7 is the greatest number, and it contains the symbol minus, so answer will be minus 4. Clear? Okay. Now I am going to explain the multiplication of integers. Multiplication. Okay, listen to me. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Plus into minus, which is equal to minus. Minus into plus, which is equal to minus. Minus into minus, which is equal to plus. Okay? So now example 1. 2 into 3. For example, 2 into 3. 2 positive, 3 also positive. So positive plus into plus plus 2 3 is a 6. Second example, minus 2 into 3. First we have to multiply the symbols. Minus into here plus. Okay? Minus into plus, minus 2 3 is a 6. Example 3. 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3. Here also minus plus into minus minus 2 3 is a 6. Fourth example, minus 2 into minus 3. Okay? Minus into minus plus 2 3 is a 6. So I repeat, plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus. Thank you.